Good morning, everybody. Happy 4th of July. I'm on my way to the backyard. I made up my mind, y'all. I am going to go ahead and cook on the grill. It's not so bad out here. It's muggy. I can feel the humidity already. I'm suited, booted, sprayed down, lathered up, and ready for these bugs if they come at me today. So, y'all see my historical grill. This is next to the last time I'm going to be grilling, so I thought, well, why not make it the 4th of July? It's almost like a law against nature when you don't cook your meat on the grill on 4th of July, whether it's hot, cool, or whatever. It's nice and kind of feels like sort of like a little mini sauna out here, so I'll take that. My hair needs some moisturizing anyway. So this is going to be a twofold thing this morning. I'm going to get out here. I'm getting ready now to go ahead and fire this grill up so I can get the ribs. I'm only going to be doing ribs and hot dogs out here, so it's not going to take that long. It's about 9:30, about 11:30. I'll be off this grill and go in the house and finish up the rest of the meal for today. I ran out of chalk for my chalkboard, so I may or may not get my board done if I have time to run out and get me another chalk. But anyway, let me get this charcoal out of the trunk of the car, no less. I forgot to get it. So I'm going to get the charcoal out, get this grill ready. And this is the next to the last time that y'all will see me using this grill. I'll probably use it again for the for Memorial Day celebration. So hold on, y'all. Okay, I'm back, y'all. Those chicken drumsticks and those wings are lemon peppered up. I'm putting that sauce on them that I made, and then I'm just going to sprinkle a little bit more of that lemon pepper seasoning for the final phase. Sort of have to let them dry out a little bit so they'll be like, you know, chicken wings. We don't want them soupy chicken wings. So all I'm doing is just putting this mixture that I made up on them. I got to roll, y'all. This time it's catching up. It's hot. We got a heat advisory. I'm trying to get those ribs off. I got to do emergency surgery on one slab of my ribs that got a little bit dark on one end, but we're going to work on that. I'm going to run out there and do that surgery right quick. But right now, I'm trying to get these chicken wings to where I can get them, let them soak in that final seasoning, and we'll be ready to eat those shortly, y'all. Okay, y'all, I hear the thunder in the distance. As I told y'all, I got to do emergency minor surgery on these two pieces right here where they got a little bit browner or crispier. So all you got to do, remember when you got in trouble, your mama told you, I will beat the black off of you if I catch you doing that again. Oh, do y'all hear that music? I think it's coming from the bass. Wow, beautiful music. Oh, but the thunder is coming. They've given us a weather advisory too for the heat, but I'm hearing thunder. So we're gonna beat the black off of these right here. This is all you gotta do. Just crack that part that got a little, and some people like that, dog. Now my husband would eat that. That would be his piece right there. Go. Okay, go close the door, baby, so the bugs won't get in. Hurry up, close the door so the bugs won't get in. He come check out, see what Grandma doing. So we just get that little dark spots off of there. Because for those people who don't like, okay, that one side, this right side just cooks a little bit faster. So all you gotta do is just take your tongs and just beat the black off of it. Y'all know what I'm talking about. Just loosen it up and it'll come right off. Okay, so now the next thing we do, okay, we got that part done. So now we just want to go ahead and start putting the barbecue sauce on there. So that barbecue sauce will take care of the cosmetic part. It's just like doing plastic surgery, y'all. So I'm going to go ahead and get all these done so I can get in the house because the thunder is coming, because I do want these to glaze, that sauce to glaze on just a little bit, y'all. I don't want to have to take them off before I get all that done. So, that's hot, but that's okay. I'm good. Flip that one over. Hot tamale. We gotta get this stuff done. It's getting ready to rain, y'all. The Lord held that rain for me, honey. He loved, you know what? My Lord loves me, because I asked him when I started, Lord, just hold that rain long enough to get me through these ribs. And then all the hot dogs are cooked. They're in the house. And all I'm doing now is just putting the barbecue sauce on these ribs. I'm gonna flip them. Gonna do the other side. Then I'm just gonna go ahead and take them off, and I'll throw them in the oven because they got. I'm gonna put them in the oven anyway because it's about 3 hours, about 2 hours before we eat, and I want them nice and hot. So there it goes, y'all. So for all practical purposes, them babies is done. I just gotta flip them, y'all. Okay, y'all, behold my beautiful, perfectly cooked ribs. Even though I had to do surgery, minor surgery on one slab, a couple slabs there, they are ready to go inside. I know my husband, if he could say anything, he would say, I taught you pretty good, didn't I? So I know he's looking. Whew. Don't make me cry now. I can't cry. I got time to cry right now. But thinking of him, he taught me how to do all of this right here on this very grill. So I'm excited that Daphne is going to come down and paint this grill so we can archive it and make a nice big old planter out of it. So this, like I said, is the next to the last time that I'm going to be cooking on this grill. Probably. I don't know. I might try to even repair it. But anyway, since today is the 4th of July, it's about independence, about fighting. I dedicate this 4th of July celebration to my husband, especially because I knew every 4th we never missed a time that we got out here and got on this grill and cooked. So I pressed through. So we got the ribs, y'all. So we didn't fall short in that respect. Okay, baby, I'm coming. Y'all, I know y'all here now, right behind me. But anyway, this is dedicated to my husband in particular, and in general, all servicemen, all people, period, who fight for our independence and fought for our independence, even though things didn't go quite like we wanted to. We're here now. We're here today. These ribs are off of the grill, and I'm getting ready to get them into the house. So y'all, I'll see y'all shortly. Moving right along, y'all. I'm gonna start the baked beans. These are gonna be my loaded baked beans. So I'm gonna put some ground turkey. I'm gonna saute this ground turkey and get it going on, and I'm gonna season it real good. It's gonna go in our baked beans today. I may even put a little bit in the rice. I don't want to put too much in there. But it's gonna be our loaded baked beans. Okay, so first I got a pound of ground beef. I'm sorry, ground turkey. Y'all know I don't have no ground beef in there. Pound of ground turkey. You know, a lot of family members, a lot of people are vegan, vegetarians, whatever, pour a little bit of oil in there. Ground turkey has no oil content, so that's a good deal. Pour that in. I got some onions, bell pepper, and celery to put in there. So it's going to be loaded today. So this is going to go into the baked beans, y'all. So I'm just going to season them up. So that's just ground turkey and the peppers and onions right now. I'm going to hit it with a teaspoon of, complete seasoning. And then over here on this side, I think I've got some garlic powder. Just to season it up really good. Okay. I got a roll now, y'all. It's going on 2 o'clock. Got the ribs off the grill. The hot dogs are off the grill. The chicken is ready. I just got to get them put into my serving pans. And honey, we got this. We're going to have this train going to be ready to pull in here about another hour. So it's probably about 3 o'clock, 3:30 when we start to eat. So not to worry. I hope my sister and her family will be coming down from Fayetteville. If not, I just hope my sister was not feeling that well yesterday. So hopefully she feels better today.
I want another one.
You want more? He wants some more cheese crackers, y'all. So I'll be right back.
It's big cheese.
Okay, y'all. I got everything together in this pan for my loaded baked beans. I got my sauteed ground turkey, onions, brown sugar, ketchup, and 2 tablespoons of ground pepper, half a cup of ketchup, a 1/4 cup of half a cup of barbecue sauce, fourth cup of ketchup, and then this is 1 pound of ground turkey meat in there. We're just gonna put them in the oven and let them rip for about 45 minutes. They ought to be ready. But these are my loaded baked beans. Cause like these, if they're left over or not, you can always eat these with just by themselves, really, with a salad. Like I've got that kale salad going on in there. You could do it with some kale salad, or you can make you one of those nice beef barbecue sandwiches. That's later on in the week. Cause I figured like this week's is because the 4th of July is falling on a Thursday, and I knew I had to do a lot of cooking. I'm not likely to be doing a lot more cooking, but I'll do some things. And if everybody comes and all this gets gone today, then so be it. But the point is, I love loaded baked beans. My son in Atlanta loves to make these. These are wonderful. And I've made them a few times. Usually I just do regular baked beans. So these are ready to go into the oven, y'all. See them on the flavor truck. Okay, y'all. Time to get that veggie fried rice. We're just doing bell pepper, onions, and seasoning in the rice. I put the meat in the beans today. So just some good old seasoned, well seasoned up fried rice. You know you got to have rice or some kind of starch. So this is it. I almost did mac and cheese, but we're just going to do rice today. Okay, so all you do here is what I've got in the skillet already is some sauteed peppers and onions. I went ahead and put them in my NutriBullet and got them sauteed up real good. So I'm going to turn the heat up on it a little bit. And I sauteed them in, well, not butter, but in the Smart Balance. So you know that's bound to be good. So just a nice big dish of fried rice. Because sometimes you just want rice with just the veggies in it. So that's what we're having today. I'm going to do about half of this rice. This is like 5 cups of rice in here that I cooked. And 2 medium green peppers and a large onion chopped up. Maurice is all over his kitchen, honey. He is trying to get into everything he can find, y'all. Help me. Help. So anyway, I'm going to go ahead and get my usual seasonings in here, going in here. Just a little bit of complete seasoning. And I'm going to go ahead and turn the burner off because it'll stay hot. Everything's already cooked. Remember I told you when you're cooking like this, making stir fry, all your food's already cooked. So basically what you're doing is mixing. So I'm going to go ahead and get all this mixed. The next batch will be done exactly the same way. So this is our fried rice, y'all. Just going to add the rest of it in as I go. Last but not least, y'all, green beans. Remember I got the big can of green beans? I opened them obviously and I drained all that brine water from in the can. Rinsed them several times. Got them got them in the pan now, and so I put some seasoning. That seasoning water came. Remember I told you I had that good old broth off of those 2 roasts that I did. So that's the seasoning I got in here. About a half stick of butter, a couple teaspoons of brown sugar, half of an onion, and we're just going to let these come to a good boil, and then we're going to turn them off and let them sit, because remember we don't try to cook these again. They're already cooked. I'm just here to season, not to cook, just to season these. Get that can out of my way. Okay, a little bit of complete seasoning on there, not a lot. What did I say, about a teaspoon? Ought to do it. And we're just going to let these green beans go ahead and cook them. I'm going to sprinkle a little bit of this chicken bouillon, dry chicken bouillon on them too. This is amounts to about a teaspoon. Just flavor is all I'm doing. Adding flavor and knocks out that little can taste. And they taste so good you forget about their cans. Okay. Turn them a couple times. Make sure that butter's all over everything. And then we're just going to bring them to a boil, like I say. And we're going to have green beans to go with this meal, okay? Perfect seasoning. Okay, turn the heat up high at first, and then we're going to lower it down for about 5 minutes once I hear it boiling. This meal is done, y'all. Everything is done. It's a done deal. Somebody still got the baked beans in the oven. They got about 5 or 10 more minutes, and they will be ready. And when that flavor train pulls up in here about 3:30, I'll be ready. I'm gonna have a chance to take a shower before they get here. So everything, as you see, is all taken out of the oven, off the stove, and been wrapped. I got my ribs, my chicken, my shredded barbecue, everything. That's what that is all over to the side. My beans are my baked beans are in the oven. Green beans are on top of the stove. I got potato salad and kale salad in the refrigerator. And I also got fried rice. I did the fried rice as well. So this meal is done, y'all. I'll come back and do the reveal when everybody gets here. That way when I won't have to take the foil off twice. So listen, y'all, hope y'all are having a happy, safe 4th of July, enjoying family, friends, whomever. Just be careful because the weather is going to the left in some instances, like here in my town. And I always pray, like I said, I pray about everything. So I knew they talked about weather. So I said, Lord, please let me get out here and get this meat done and off the grill and in the house before the rain started. How about I was in the house 15 minutes and the rain came. So I just love the Lord enough and trust him enough to know he did that just especially for Peggy because he loves her so much. Like in Psalms 91, he said, I will let you see the enemy through my eyes. Oh, yes, he does. Yes, he does. And he said, I'll give you the desires of your heart. Maybe not the exact words, but I'll bless you because you know my name. Oh, God, I thank you, Jesus. Thank you. Whew, if I could preach, I would preach right there. But since I don't preach, I want to suffice it to say, keep those prayers going up so the blessings will continue to come down. Thank y'all for tuning in. Thank you for your support. Thank you for your love and kindness towards me and towards my family, for supporting my daughter's channel. Just thank you for everything. Be kind to someone today. Do something good for someone today. Find out the people in your community who fight for your freedom, who continue to fight for your freedom, because that's what this day is supposed to be all about. As I talked about last month, we talked about Juneteenth. So find those people in your community who fight the good fight for the community, who go to those rallies and stand up and talk about what's right and what's not. And this is a good time to start doing it because we're coming up on the 2020 election process. And we also saluting our military. And again, like I told you earlier, and I can't dwell on that too much because I get real misty eyed when I have to say something about my husband, especially reminiscing about the times that we had in this house on the 4th of July and every other holiday. So that's why I don't do those little special, specific tributes, because I give homage to him each day and thank God that I had him in my life every day. So again, this barbecue celebration, this 4th of July celebration is dedicated to none other than Grill Master, the best grill master that I ever knew, that I've ever seen, experienced, or tasted of, was Bobby Howell, because he was the man. Anybody that ever tasted his food knew that. So I dedicate this day to you, Bobby Howell, because I am so reminded every time I get on the grill of how much you taught me about grilling and cooking in general. So I do what I enjoy, and I do enjoy cooking, and I enjoy my family and my friends, and now YouTubers, I'm enjoying you. So anyway, there I got long-winded again. So be it. Anywho, love you guys. Thank y'all for tuning in. Now keep those prayers going up. Pray without ceasing. Keep the prayers going so the blessings will continue to come down. I'll show the food when everybody gets here. So I'm going to take the opportunity now to say love you guys and toodaloo. All done. Baked beans, roasted hot dogs, lemon pepper chicken, shredded beef barbecue, barbecue spare ribs, fried rice, green beans, potato salad, and kale salad. So there it is, y'all. Toodles.